welcome to Everyday English, the podcast that helps you improve your English through real-life conversations. Today, we're exploring a common situation: shopping. Our scene takes place in a local store where a buyer is looking for some items. Let's listen.
Good afternoon. Welcome to City Mart. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need some stationery items for my younger brother. Do you have notebooks and pens?
Yes, of course. We have different types of notebooks. Would you like ruled or plain pages?
Ruled, please. And can you show me some good quality pens?
Sure. These are gel pens, and these are ballpoint pens. The gel pens write smoothly, but ballpoints last longer.
I'll take one pack of gel pens. Also, do you have a calculator?
Yes, we have basic and scientific calculators. Which one do you need?
A basic one will do. How much is it?
It's 500 rupees. Would you like anything else?
That's all for now. How much is the total?
Let's see. The notebook is 300, the gel pens are 250, and the calculator is 500. Your total is 1,050 rupees.
Okay, here's 1,100 rupees.
Thank you. Here's your change, 50 rupees. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too.